Now we're going to look at how a ScopeCorder and an oscilloscope get the same signal, and Michael's going to explain what the two products do differently and the difference between them.
Let's start with the oscilloscope. The oscilloscope is designed to capture short transient signals with very high sample speed.
Yep.
The ScopeCorder offers also modest sample speed up to 200 megasamples, but can record for a much longer period of time. Can not only record the electrical signal, but it can capture physical parameters such as temperature, vibration, strain, etc. as well.
Let's see how that works in application with a motor.
So in an application with the motor, then with the oscilloscope you're looking at the control signals of the inverter. So you take some logic inputs and you look at the output signals, the pulse width modulated voltage of the inverter itself. So also here we look on both instruments at the pulse width modulated voltage. But here you're more or less restricted to the electrical signal and logic signals. With DL950 you can measure the pulse width modulated voltage, which is being displayed here, and the current as well when you make use of current sensors, similar to the oscilloscope. However, you can also measure the rotation speed and torque, so you can measure mechanical power of the electrical motor, you can measure the temperature of the motor, there's always vibration in the motor which causing certain performance of the motor and issues with electric motors. So you want to capture all these signals within one instrument, and that's exactly what the DL950 offers.
Thank you.